Then you can find date. Next, dear daddy. That is nothing but salutation, isn't it? Then body of the letter. We received your we have received your affectionate letter that day before yesterday. We are glad to know that you are fine at Bhopal. We well, dear daddy, there is nothing to worry about here. We are having a lot joy good time. Though we miss you, daddy, I know that in your absence I have great responsibilities. I fully realize my duty. I get up early in the morning and I bring milk from the milk booth. I don't allow dear mother to go out for petty purchases like fruit, vegetables, bread, etc. I go to market every morning and buy these things. In case we need some grocery items, clothes, or sundry items, I accompany mother to the city market where we have withdraw money from the bank. I invariably ascertain her. I am looking after the house property. Being the eldest, I also look at the needs of my younger brother and sister. They are quite happy. I take care of their studies also. I make them sit with me during the afternoon and evening to study and remove their difficulties. You needn't worry about us at all. With, uh, with affectionate regards from all of us. Your affectionately, Kusum. Okay, then your address. Understood? This is the complete pattern how you need to write your personal letter. Now let us learn about formal letters. You are Major. Suppose, see, you are Manoj, Mukta. Manoj or Mukta. Like this only you will get a question in your examination also. You are Manoj or Mukta. If you are a male, Manoj. If you are female, you are Mukta. Okay, you have to imagine. You are Manoj Mukta residing at 16 Clubhouse Lane, Anna Road, Chennai 2. Write a letter to station house officer of your nearest police station complaining against the theft of your scooty. Give necessary details. Words limit 150. Okay, you may not get this words limitation. Okay, you will get like this type of question. You need to answer it. See, again I am showing you, I told you all these parts of letter. Same thing here it is written. Answer 16 Clubhouse. First, which address, to whom you are writing. Okay, that address should come here. Okay, that same thing. Here they have given address, so you have written, you have to write here. Otherwise, you can write, if suppose if they ask you, for example, like write a letter to editor complaining about sewage water. You have to write your own address. Okay, not like because here it is given address you have written. Like this also can happen. They may also give. Most probably, I don't think they will give address for others. Okay, you have to write your own address. Like BBMP, Bangalore. That much is more than enough. Okay, like DSHO. Okay, you will start. The city police station. To whom you are writing, you will write here. Anna Road, Chennai. Sir. Subject. See here, the difference is personal and the official letter is subject. You need to write subject at any cost. Okay, subject is theft of scooty. Now let us read and see what is the body of the letter. I want to report the theft of my scooty from the campus of Youth Hostel, Anna Road. It was a new auto start kinetic scooty. Auto here automatic, self. Its chassis number is KC0012761. Need not required to write same. Okay, you can write any number, whichever you remember. And engine number is KS00145-803. It is again here not necessary that you need to write your particular number. You can write any number. 1, 2, 3, 4 also you can write. It is silver grey in color. It was purchased from Mrs. British Motors on 14th April 2020. Photo start. Copy of the receipt is attached as proof. Whatever, just you will write, you will not attach. Okay. The scooty was stolen between 10:50 a.m. and 11:30 a.m. I had locked it in parking space and went to inquire about the arrival of some teams from Bangalore. There was some rush at the reception counter. When I reached, my scooty was now there. When I reached, my scooty was not there. I made enquiries from the tea stall and other vendors. All my efforts to trace the scooty have failed. I have tried my level best. In the sense, I have tried my level best. I am not getting my scooty. I therefore request you to get the scooty traced and restore it to me. Thank you, yours faithfully, Meenakshi. Okay, if a girl is writing Meenakshi, you will write. If a boy is writing, you will write Manoj. Okay, because they have given here. Either you are a Manoj or a Mukta. Okay, this is how you will write your formal letter. Okay. Your writing homework is write a letter. Now open page number 45, your textbook. Letter writing, you can find your subheading. Imagine that you are social service volunteer and have been campaigning in a village for 10 days. Write a letter about your experience to the editor of a daily. Okay, this is your writing homework. Okay, I hope all of you do this, and if you don't understand this, it is very lost to you because it is definite question in your examination. So all of you, my humble request is to practice writing formal and informal both the letters. Okay, stick to your studies. Kindly during essay 1, all of you follow the set of rules of writing examination. Stick to the studies, write your exams without copying, follow some of the discipline in your textbook, writing answer sheet. You need to maintain cleanliness, write neatly, you have to set a time. You should have time limit because all other classes, school will conduct exam, you will be out of the school. Because of that reason, whenever you are writing exam, you have to set the alarm that only this many minutes or hours you are going to write, not exceeding more than that. Okay, along with that, what you need to do is you have to follow the discipline of writing. Many of you have scribbled your answer sheets, FA1 answer sheet. kindly put your effort to writing as well as reading. Grammar in English, grammar is very important. Handwriting is very important. Maintaining cleanliness is also equally important, because you have written very well, but those who have not done, those who cannot understand your handwriting, it's of no use how much ever detail answers you have written, isn't it? So all of you, my humble request is, follow all the disciplines of your writing. How you write whenever you are writing test or exam during at in school or wherever you write, see, you follow that set of rules. Okay, first thing, again I'm repeating, what you need to do is maintain discipline of answer sheet. Set alarm for that particular time. Try to manage that time and write neatly. Follow cursive writing. Do not write spelling mistakes. Okay, you know which spelling you know, which spellings you don't know. What you need to do is, you need to write proper spelling. Practice those spellings. Okay, okay, bye guys.